Well, I guess my vacation's over. In case some of you were wondering, I took 2 weeks off from making videos, and I have to say it was awesome to have some time off. Now, prior to taking off, I had big plans of taking my laptop along so I could finish writing the software for the Hodgepodge engine control computer on the 719cc Supercharged Kubota diesel-powered Honda. Meh, the truth is, I never even unpacked the laptop. So, yeah, no software was written. Now, in the past 7 days since I returned from vacation, I've been hard at work rebuilding and repackaging the engine control computer and writing a bit of software to tie everything together. The good news is the car's running again, and I have full confidence in the engine control computer. Now, keep in mind, the computer worked fine before, but the wiring was pretty much a rat's nest. And before I could take this car to the next level, I felt the best thing to do was sort out the mess and fix a few minor issues. Now, things like this take time. Actually, it took a lot more time than I originally anticipated. Now, due to the July 4th Independence Day holiday here in the States, well, I ended up taking a few more days off. Anyway, the car is done, and it's time to do some much anticipated road testing. The question is, will the revised software improve performance? And I'm sure a few of you folks want to know if the already insane fuel economy has improved any. I'm pretty much excited to find out either way. But that ain't gonna happen today. I reckon it's gonna take a few more days to complete all the testing and record the highlights on video. Well, I just wanted to give you a brief update to what's happening on the channel, and I'll be back in a week or so with the new video. See you folks soon.